Alright, Half-Life. It needs no introduction. Everyone knows what Half-Life is. I know it, you know it, everyone's played it. And I'm gonna do a let's play on it, because I want to, and you can't stop me. Let's, let's play, let's start a new game. Let's just go medium, because I'm not ready for hard mode.
Good morning, and welcome to the Black Mesa Transit System. This automated train is provided for the security and convenience of the Black Mesa Research Facility personnel.
He's late for work.
The time is 8:47 a.m.
It is
Current top
8:47.
temperature is 93 degrees, with an estimated high of 105.
That's
Black
hot.
Mesa control facilities. If you're on any destination,
This is extremely dangerous. Like, why is there machinery operating while while this is, like, operating?
transit hub
This
in
train.
Area 9 and board a high security train. If you have not yet submitted your identity to the retinal clearance system, you must report to Black Mesa personnel for processing before you will be permitted into the high security branch.
You are not worthy at our establishment. Get out!
Do not attempt to open the doors until the train has come to a complete halt at the station platform.
Open the door! Open
Event
it!
of an emergency.
I want to break all the
Passengers
rules. I'm
must
a trash
remain
mammal. I don't... I mean, oh, this is fancy. Look at how rich we are. With all this high-tech technology. Hello? Thank you.
Immediate openings are available in the areas
Caution.
of
You are
materials
fat.
handling and low clearance security.
Huh!
Please contact Black Mesa
It's Mr.
personnel
Dummy.
for further
If he was
information.
evolved.
If you have an associate with a background in the areas of theoretical physics, biotechnology, or other high-tech disciplines, please contact our civilian recruitment division. The Black Mesa Research
And please
Facility
join our
is
Facebook page.
a scheduled
Ah!
urinalysis or radiation checkup is grounds for immediate termination. If you feel you have been exposed to radioactive or other hazardous materials in the course of your duties, contact your
Yeah, look at how close we were to that modified obsolescence bot.
Work smart. Your future depends on it.
Or whatever the hell he calls it.
Now arriving
That's what he told me, at least.
test labs and control facilities.
Alright, finally. We can put our legs to work. Legs to use, pretty much.
Please stand back from the automated door and wait for the security
Okay.
officer to verify your identity.
Alright.
Before exiting the train, be sure to check your area for personal belongings.
Oh, I forgot my sign.
And have a very safe and productive day.
Morning, Mr. Freeman. Looks like you're running late.
Alright, yeah. My roommate broke my alarm clock, so I'm a bit late on that. You can blame my roommate for that. Don't twist your neck like that. I have to call an exorcism. Hello? Open the gate. Although he is
Hey, Mr.
awful.
Freeman. I had a bunch of messages for you, but we had a system crash about 20 minutes ago, and I'm still trying to find my files. Just one of those days, I guess.
Oh,
We're
yeah.
having some problems down in the test chamber, too, but I think that's all straightened out. They told me to make sure you headed down there as soon as you got into your hazard suit.
Excellent. Yes, I will do that. You might want to fix your gaming setup here. There's a lot of blue screens. That's not good. You're an animal. Okay, research, development.
Weren't you supposed to be in the test chamber half an hour ago?
Weren't you supposed to be with your mother half an hour ago?
Excuse me, Gordon, but I'm rather busy now.
Doing what? You're standing doing nothing. Oh,
This analysis is going to run perfectly today.
this is where they make Half-Life 3.
Good morning, Gordon.
Good morning, Gerald.
Today, Freeman.
Oh, yeah, big day indeed. I don't know what I'm doing.
The sample was just delivered to the test chamber.
Excellent. I will get right to that.
I can't be bothered right now.
Okay.
That's odd.
Oh, yeah. You want to know what else is odd? Your mum. Hello.
You'll just have to wait until after the test.
You'll just have to wait until after the No smoking.
Hello.
Hello. You said doing your homework.
Please, leave me alone until after the experiment.
Most of the simulation results are perfectly acceptable, you know. Please, leave me alone until after the experiment.
They're the same person!
Someone is
Oh!
using my glasses again.
I want some soda. Some pop, some fizz pop. Thank you.
As I
Is-
expected.
Is this fizz pop? Give me all the fizz pop. Yeah. Oh, some Weetabix.
My God, what are you doing?
I'm making breakfast for you. Be thankful. Hello?
Greetings.
Hey, greetings. Yes. Greetings, Bond.
Why do we all have to wear these ridiculous ties?
Because it's part of this is my locker. And this thing, I got some certificate in physics or something.
Should run that test.
I don't know who that is. The Orchard Eater. Mark Laidlaw? Wait. Oh my god, it's this person. My god. That's incredible. Some first aid. I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay. You, push. Push? Why?
It's all within theoretical limits.
No, have your poop. Don't talk, please. And there it is. Our hazard suit. Where'd the other two go? Alright. Here we go.
To the HEV Mark IV protective
Yeah.
system for use in hazardous environment conditions. High impact reactive armor activated. Atmospheric temperature
Weren't you supposed to be in the test chamber half an hour ago?
Can't. Too busy raving.
activated.
Down through, sir.
Hello there.
You're in the barrel today.
You're in the barrel.
Offensive weapon selection system
I'm definitely in the barrel right now. I'm grooving.
level
Hydroelectric dam. Hydroelectric dam. Black and Mesa. Black and Mesa. Elevator going down to the test chamber. Test chamber. Test chamber. Gotta press the button. Gotta press the button, and we're going down into the test chamber so that we can continue the story. You're all gonna die.
Hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you.
Leave me alone until after the test. Hello there.
Greetings.
The laser. Ooh, that's foreshadowing a lot of things. Ooh. Oh, level 3. We're killing this game. Greetings.
Ah, Gordon. Here you are. We just sent the sample down to the test chamber.
We've boosted the anti-mass spectrometer to 105%. Bit of gamble, but we need the extra resolution.
The administrator is very concerned that we get a conclusive analysis of today's sample. I gather they went to some lengths to get it.
They're waiting for you, Gordon, in the test chamber.
Spooky. You making out with that thing? You're weird, man. You're weird.
It's about to go critical. Critical.
Uh-oh. It's about to go... It's so critical, I said my sentence twice. Fun fact, I used to be scared of elevators when I was young. Because I always had that fear of them, like, shutting down and closing. It's actually kind of funny.
I'm afraid we'll be deviating a bit from standard analysis procedures today, Gordon.
Yes, but with good reason. This is a rare opportunity for us. This is the purest sample we've seen yet.
And, potentially, the most unstable.
Now, if you follow standard insertion procedures, everything will be fine.
I don't know how you can say that, although I will admit that the possibility of a resonance cascade scenario is extremely unlikely.
Gordon doesn't need to hear all this. He's a highly trained professional. Assured the administrator that nothing will go wrong.
Ah, yes, you're right. Gordon, we have complete confidence in you.
Well, go ahead. Let's let him in now. Let him in.
You look like you analyzed the B movie, like in great detail. Aha, the test chamber. Now we have to climb this ladder.
Testing. Testing. Everything seems to be in order.
All right, Gordon. Your suit should keep you comfortable through all this.
I'm very uncomfortable.
Deliver to you in a few moments. If you would be so good as to climb up and start the rotors, we can bring the anti-mass spectrometer to 80% and hold it there until the carrier arrives.
I'm so smart. Uh-oh. It's gonna blow! Ah!
Very good. We'll take it from here.
Power to stage 1 emitters in 3, 2, 1. I'm seeing predictable phase arrays.
It's so loud I can't hear my own thoughts. Which are empty.
Stage 2 emitters activating now.
Ew.
Gordon, we cannot predict how long the system can operate at this level, nor how long the breathing. Work as quickly as you can.
I'm working. I'm working. I'm doing work things. I'm doing jumping jacks. Doing some stretches.
It's probably not a problem. Probably, but I'm showing a small discrepancy in... Well, no, it's well within acceptable bounds again. Sustaining sequence.
I've just been informed that the sample is ready, Gordon. It should be coming up to you any moment. Look to the delivery system for your specimen.
Oh. Hello, I shall now... Boom! Kaboosh! You told me to do it. 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 Oh, not my fault. Not my fault. Let me out. 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 It's gonna blow. Let me out. I'm gonna, my flashlight doesn't work. Oh. Oh. Everything's green now. Oh. Oh. Ugh. My god. Oh. Oh. Hello. Life. Different life.